Alright.
Ready? David Boone with Assurance Residential. We are attempting a repair on a discontinued shingle today. Daniel Ragsdale is the customer. We're going to do 3 to 4 different test spots to see if we have any matting transfer. The shingles don't match, but we're going to see if we can get them in there and to be a feasible repair. So we're get started. This is the shingle right here that needs to come out. You can see it's loose, for the most part. And we've already got matting transfer right here from this bottom shingle, matting transfer. So we're going to keep going, try to move up, try to prevent it. Much as possible. Again, more matting transfer to this top shingle. It's extremely hot out today, so pliability isn't an issue. Matting transfer is, obviously. Now this shingle's damaged. We're going to try to take another course out without lifting the shingle up to prevent from creasing it, like what happened right there. We're using a putty knife, but we're also going to use a flat bar. Try to show that we're doing everything possible to do this repair. All right, loose here, loose here. I can feel the matting transfer, but I'm not going to lift it up to try to prevent creasing to the best of my ability. 1, 2, 2, 2. So loose. There's 18 damaged shingles on this roof. The amount to do this repair would exceed way over $400. Alright, now they're at least all loose, although we have creasing up on top and I haven't even tried to pull them out yet. So, I believe everything's loose. Extremely difficult. This shingle. Alright, so we're continuing this same repair. Shingles out. further damage. Tearing up.
Shingle getting torn up worse, David?
Yep. Yep. These nails gotta come out.
Alright, you're back on, David.
Alright, so I'm attempting to do this repair as careful as we can. We're still creasing shingles around it, as well as transferring matting, as well as unsealing other shingles. All right, so we're out. Shingles out. We got matting transfer. We got matting transfer from these bottom shingles.
This is a
Certainteed Horizon. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to try to replace this course that we damaged by taking that shingle out. And I'm gonna take my time to try to get this shingle out without doing any more further damage to this roof. And as you can see, this additional shingle matting transfer, you can see the fiberglass here. These shingles aren't totally creased yet, but they do have matting transfer. The shingles out. Getting pictures of this, everything too.
No, I'm gonna stop the video here in just a minute, get some pictures.
We can always screenshot them, snapshot them.
Okay, we'll continue on with the video.
Okay. You got a razor?
I do.
So we're going back with a Certainteed Landmark shingle because it's the closest match that we could find. Although the second adjuster took a shingle sample to take to ITEL, they didn't have any suggestions, so we're going with what we got to go with here. Pick the shingle, see how it measures up. So we're gonna have to cut this shingle, get it to even fit. So we're cutting a shingle in the middle of a roof slope.
Okay.
Alright, so we're back cutting the shingle. The size to meet up to the discontinued product. Slide it up in there. Nail left up under here. Get that out. Okay. All right, you got some nails?
I do.
All right, I'm going to attempt to go ahead and nail this first shingle. Try my best not to do any more damage. Have to lift that at least at a 60 to 70 degree angle in order to get just that one nail in. Do the same thing here. 70 degrees. It's obviously causing it to be more labor intensive. Trying not to mess anything up any more than it already is. And we got creasing on this top shingle already. Just from what we've done. Besides the fact of it not matching, we're doing more damage as we go. So we're going to do one more, and then that's all we're going to do with it. See your hammer there.
Let me know if you want the other one. That one might be a little tricky getting underneath those shingles.
See how flexible the new shingles are. Not so much with shingles that are 15 years older.
One of them Georgia bugs flying in your mouth?
Yeah, something. I'll put one more nail in and assess everything. As you can see, new shingles, old shingles, creased. Tried my best not to. Actually did pretty good on that one. But these are definitely creased. These are definitely creased. Definitely have matting transfer underneath them. It's non-repairable roof, even if you could repair it. Imagine doing this 18 times all over the roof. Also got a shingle down here that's creased. It ties into this valley. I'm not going to attempt this repair because it's near this valley